Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be doing an unboxing, a review, and some solar testing on this awesome looking EcoFlow 220 watt folding bifacial solar panel right after this. If you are new to my channel and would like to stay up to date with the latest tips and tricks for Amazon Fire devices and product reviews, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button and click on the bell icon for future notifications. Thank you so much. Alright guys, so this is what the solar panel looks like when it comes in the box. It comes in the original EcoFlow solar panel box. It's packed very well. Let me show you on top. I have already opened this, as you can see. Oops. And it comes with some very thick styrofoam on top and the bottom and the sides as well. Let me go ahead and flip this box around to show you what kind of instructions it shows on the back of the box. Alright guys, so here you can see on the back of the solar panel packaging, you can see that these are basic instructions on how to hook the solar panel, a quick installation in a few different languages. I think the first one is English, of course. The second one is Hebrew. It looks like it's Hebrew to me. And here's some basic instructions. It says installation steps. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 basic installation steps of how to install the solar panel. And let's go ahead and look inside the box and let's see what it's all about. Alright folks, so this solar panel does come in a nice solar panel briefcase. One side is sort of a soft side and the other side is a rigid side, because you can actually use this solar panel case as a stand for the solar panel when you mount it, when you install it on the ground. So as you can see, the quality of EcoFlow, the reason why by the way, this is not a sponsored video. They have not paid me, or they haven't given me any type of credit or benefit. I actually purchased a solar panel with my own money. So because I believe EcoFlow is one of the best solar panels out there, as well as their power stations, because I have owned a solar capable portable power station from EcoFlow. I have the EcoFlow River Pro, and I've had it for almost a year now, and I absolutely love it. And I'm sorry, I hope you guys can hear me well, because it's a bit windy today, so I'm doing my best here. So you can see here that this comes with a nice heavy duty handle. There's actually Velcro in the middle. Let me go ahead and open this. And once you open that handle with the heavy duty Velcro, you can see that the stitching on these handles right here is nice and sturdy. It's nothing cheap. So on both sides, that is. And you can tell that this solar panel case, as far as the case goes, this will last you a long time, unlike other companies I have reviewed in the past. So once you open these two handles, you loosen those up. Now you can go ahead and unzip the case. You can zip from one side to the other, and this zips all the way down. Alright guys, so as I said earlier, this is just a quick setup of the solar panel. I'm about to mount it completely where it's completely facing the sun, because it's about 2 p.m. right now in the afternoon. We are in the fall. I believe today is October 1st or October 2nd. So it's a bit windy. I do apologize about that. I am doing my best here on the sound. So as I said, this is a 220 watt folding bifacial solar panel. What bifacial means is that this is the front of the solar panel, which should give you 220 watts. Of course, it doesn't always give you that much, but something close to it. And this is the back of the solar panel. And remember when I said this is the case, this is the briefcase that it comes with. This is the solid part. You can use this as a stand, which I will show you here in a minute. And this is the back of the solar panel. So you can see that it has solar cells on the front and the back of the solar panel all the way around. Let's just go ahead and do a walk around. And you can see that right here on the bottom, just in case you purchase one of these, which you most likely will, because this seems very, very well built and high quality. It's nothing cheap. You can see that the MC4 cables, which are industry standard in the solar industry, here is the I believe this is the negative and this is the positive, or vice versa. So these are the solar panels. One is negative, one is positive, and they are actually mounted permanently here on the side of the solar panel. And you can see right down here it says that face this side towards the sun. So this tells you this side of the solar panel is the front side of the solar and not the back, because the front will give you 220 watts, and supposedly the back of the solar panel will give you 155 watts. So that way you don't have to move the solar panel as much when the sun goes from east to west, or yeah, when the sun goes above and over the solar panel. At least that's the idea here from my knowledge. So I'm going to go ahead and plug this into my EcoFlow River Pro power station here in a minute. But just so you can see that this is a very nice folding bifacial solar panel. You can see that it has nice rivets on bottom. I believe that's what they're called. Here's one here, here's one here. So there's one on every solar, pretty much every side. There's actually, you know what, guys? I just realized I have this upside down because the way this is supposed to work. See these black cables right here, or holders, whatever you want to call these. These are supposed to connect to, I believe these are supposed to connect to the bottom rivets right here. There's one here and there's one here. And as you can see, actually there's rivets everywhere. There's rivets down here and up here on every corner. So I guess it doesn't matter whether this is the top or the bottom of the solar panel. I guess it doesn't really matter, right? To my knowledge, it doesn't. As long as you have the 220 watt side facing the sun and not the other way around. So let me go ahead and show you what that looks like when it's actually mounted on the solar briefcase, and I'm going to go ahead and plug it into my EcoFlow River Pro power station. Alright guys, so these are the clips that actually come. Here's like an EcoFlow 220 bifacial solar panel. This is probably like a quick start guide that comes with the solar panel inside the box on the side. And then you also get 4 of these clips. I think they're called carabiner clips. I'm not too sure, don't hold me to it. But these are the clips that you can use on the bottom and the top to hold the solar panel to that briefcase that it comes with as well. And also comes with this MC4 to an XT60 solar cable. So you can see that the negative and the positive, this looks about 4 or 5, maybe 6 feet long. And you can actually connect this into, it seems like any EcoFlow portable power station. I have the EcoFlow River Pro, and I'm pretty sure it has the XT60 solar cable connector built in on the side. So I'm going to go ahead and plug this in right now. I'm going to go ahead and set up the solar panel first, and then I'm going to go ahead and plug it into my power station. Let's see what that looks like, and let's see what kind of solar input we get today at around 2 p.m. Alright guys, so once you actually install and mount the solar panel, this is what it should look like. I might have it upside down, I am not too sure. I don't think I do though, because I don't think it matters how you mount this, as long as you have the 220 watt solar side facing the sun and not the other way around. And as you can see, I mean, I tried to mount it as even as possible, and this solar panel, I'd say when it folds, of course it takes 1/4 of its size right now. I'd say it takes about 16 to maybe 18 inches wide by about 24 to 30 inches tall. But once you unfold it, it's going to take about 4 to 5 feet of space. And as you can see here, I have actually used the MC4 cables that actually come with the solar panel itself and the adapter. Here's negative, here's positive, and you can see I have that cable running all the way to the side of my EcoFlow River Pro. You can see that this is the solar input right here, because you can actually charge this power station from the wall, which says 100 to 120 volts AC, or you can plug it into a solar input, and you can see it says either way it will not accept more than 10 amps max. So that's important and good to know. And right now, alright, so here's the EcoFlow River Pro app, and my state of charge is at 81% right now with the power station. And you can see that I'm getting a consistent 107 watts, excuse me. And I've been getting 107, 108, 109 watts back and forth. And again, this is not June or July, guys. This is October 2nd, where we are in the fall. It's getting cooler. It's actually a bit windy today. I hope you guys can hear me clear here. It's about 10 to maybe 13 miles per hour winds. It's a nice day, but maybe it's not the best day to test the solar panel. But I just received the solar panel in the mail not even a week ago. So I said, let me go ahead and try to test this before winter, because winter is upon us, as you guys know, as I do live here in the up north, in the northern part of the United States, unfortunately. So anyways, as we see right now, I got 108 watts and it is consistent. Not too bad, but I believe this solar panel can do much better if this was June or July or sometime in the summertime. And I believe it will do even better if it was earlier in the day, if it was like 12 o'clock or, between 11 o'clock and 3 p.m. or 4 p.m., give or take, somewhere on that area, rather than, 5 or 6 p.m. or 7 p.m. when the sun is getting ready to go down. All right, so here we are the next day. This is early in the morning. It's almost 10 a.m. right now. And it's a lot more sunnier, I should say. It's another beautiful sunny day, and I do have the solar panel set up facing the sun, as you can see right now, and it is plugged into my EcoFlow River Pro power station right now. And I found out that changing one setting in the application and the EcoFlow app, that made a huge difference. Yesterday I only got up to 107 watts max on a great sunny day, but it was later in the day. It was about 5:30 or 6 p.m. in the evening. Today there's barely any winds, and as you can see, it's a bright sunny day early in the morning, and I'm getting a lot more wattage right now. Let me show you the app to see what I'm talking about, and then I'll show you what setting I changed, so you guys know if you do own an EcoFlow portable power station. All right, so here's the EcoFlow app one more time. You can see that I am connected to my River Pro, and my state of charge right now is 72%. And once I enter that, look at this beautiful, I am getting a consistent 180 to 181 watts, which is beautiful. I mean, that's about maybe 85%, somewhere near than maybe 90%. I'm not the best with math, I'll be honest and upfront with that, but this is a lot more, you can smile a lot more about 180 watts rather than 107 watts max. And the reason is why yesterday I tried multiple times that I only got 107, 108 watts max out of a 220 watt folding panel. Here's the reason why, guys, just so you know, just for future reference, if you would. So I made this mistake, not even realizing it. So when you click on settings on the top right of the EcoFlow app, and here, the first mistake I made where it says car input, I had mine set to 4 amps, thinking that the slower my power station will charge, whether it's through solar or in the vehicle or even from the wall, that would preserve the battery even longer. From my knowledge, at least, that's how batteries work. That's what I've been told for a long time. So I changed this from 4 amps to 8 amps, and then it started charging faster. And then once you save that, as you can see here, I did save 8 amps. And then the other mistake that I made, see where it says AC slow charging, which is the third option under car input, I had that turned on. The reason is because the EcoFlow River Pro, when you have this feature off, it will charge at a max rate of 600 watts from the wall. Again, if you trickle charge, I believe if you trickle charge any battery, or you slow charge it, which obviously this is a lithium ion technology battery, as long as the River Pro goes, that the battery will last even longer shelf life, if you would. So, or longer life cycle, I should say. But which I have this entire time I've been testing solar panels with this power station, the AC slow charging feature was turned on up until I turned that off and one back in, and that's when my wattage jumped from 107 watts to 180 watts, which is beautiful. So I guess from now on, I'm going to leave this feature on. Of course, you can always toggle back and forth between AC slow charging on or off, whether you want to charge through, using a solar panel, or charging from your car or from your van or RV, or charging it from the wall from 120 AC outlet. So just to let you guys know, I am pretty happy with these results, to be honest, considering that right now my solar panel is actually laying against the bush. Maybe I can get a little bit more if I had something reflective on the back of the solar panel, but I believe I do have the angle set, I'd say pretty good. I got towards the sun because the sun is facing directly the solar panel. So And again, as you see, as you can see on top, it's almost 10:30 in the morning right now, and it is October the 3rd. So we are in fall. So I think it's doing pretty good. I mean, of course, if I see 190 watts or 195 watts, that's even better. But I think 180 watts is pretty good, considering that this is a 220 watt folding solar panel. So let me know what you guys think. I just want to share that with you guys, the app features regarding the AC slow charging and regarding the car input. Alright guys, so here we are at the end of this video. So I really hope that you liked my unboxing and review and solar test. I did my best when it comes to the solar panel testing, as long as testing early in the morning and about 5 or 5:30 or about 6 p.m. in the evening on the second day, or I should say the first day. So hopefully you love this video. If you guys have any questions or comments, please go ahead and leave them in the comment section and I'll reply back to you in a reasonable time. And if you found any benefits in this video, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. That way YouTube shares it out publicly with other subscribers and in the YouTube website. And if you are new to my channel, I would really appreciate it if you can go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also clicking on all notifications as well by clicking on the bell icon. So if you have made it this far, thank you so much for watching. And if you guys are interested in this awesome 220 watt folding portable solar panel, I will leave the link in the description for you. Thanks again for watching. Have an awesome day. Up until then, I'll see you next time.